Today is Thursday and I'm heading out to work. So I'm not. I look like I just woke up, but actually I'm not. I just look like that on a daily basis.
And to think that for you I would've put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, boo in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth.
Today is Jackson's party, so I just hope to take a picture with him. But if not, at least I get to see him. And this is my
Love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track. So off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new biddy, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than the morning when that ball snap.
Just one night, move girl.